I'm going to be teaching my part of the workshop is that I'm going to be teaching a creativity workshop that is quite literally my favorite thing in the entire world to do. There's nothing that I enjoy more than spending time with people in this particular space. It's soul work, it's spirit work. You don't have to be an artist to come. You don't have to be a novelist to come. You just have to be somebody who's interested in maybe getting on the other side of your fear and tapping into your enchantment, which is what I think creativity is all about. We live in a society where there's a lot of art scarring. There's a lot of art wounds. There's a lot of really wrong thinking around what art is. There's a lot of cultural assumptions that the only serious artists are those who are killing themselves for their work, literally. There's a lot of darkness that's been absorbed into our culture around it. I've been a warrior against that my entire life. I believe that that's actually a defamation of what art is supposed to be and creativity is supposed to be in our lives. It's supposed to be completely inclusive. It's supposed to be joy-inducing. It's supposed to be relaxing. It's supposed to be spiritual, and it's supposed to be good for you. So that is what I'm going to help you try to see if you come.